Jeff Fouts, estate planning attorney here. You know, a lot of people are, how can I say this, live with rose-colored glasses on about their circumstances, and they're very optimistic, and that's a very good thing. There's nothing at all being optimistic, but unfortunately, I live in the real world where things actually happen. Okay, and so there's a saying that I heard one time, and that is that low probability events happen all the time. That's quite a statement. And so even if you have the perfect family, even if you have the perfect spouse, the perfect husband, the perfect wife, the perfect children, you live in the perfect house in the perfect neighborhood, and you've got the perfect retirement plan, the bad news is, and I'm sorry to have to tell you, is that you cannot control everything around you. You cannot control, you know, the multitude of things that can affect you, your spouse, your children, and your grandchildren down the road. And so I want to talk about those just briefly, all right? So I am not trying to be a fear monger or a dramatist, but I do live in the real world, okay? And so the courthouses are open every day to people that want to file lawsuits. Those people are looking for people that have deep pockets, people that have a couple of $100,000 laying around, or $1 million or two, okay? And you're the type person they're actually looking for. And some of these lawsuits may be frivolous. They may not be frivolous, okay? It's like a client I have. He may very well live in your exact neighborhood. He was driving around town and he had an auto accident. He didn't think he was going to have an auto accident. Okay, but he did. And so what happens is he hurt some people, and he hurt them pretty bad, it seems to me, based upon what I know. And he came to me and he said, Jeff, this was after he had the accident prior to hiring me. And he said, Jeff, he said, you know, the insurance company is coming after me, and it looks like I'm going to have to pay $500,000 over my insurance. And so I'll ask you a very straightforward question. How many of you would think it would be a good day if all you had to do was write a check for $500,000? Okay, would that be considered a good day or a bad day? And so this is serious. If you hurt people, the most dangerous thing you can do is drive your car. Okay? And so have you ever known many older people that voluntarily gave up their car keys? Not many. Okay? And so the most dangerous thing you do is get out there on the highway and drive. And so every day you're basically endangering your estate. So it's pretty serious. So these are things that people need to think about. Jeff Fouts, estate planning attorney. Thank you.